Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening an elevated command prompt. This gives you permission to change network settings. Once done, run ipconfig/ also you can see adapter names, IP4 and IP6 addresses, DNS servers, and DHCP status. Make sure to note which interface you will modify and whether it's using DHCP versus a static address. That way, when you change settings later, you won't overwrite critical values and you can revert if needed. You next perform the middle steps that actually change state. If you need a fresh lease, use ipconfig/release to drop the current address, then ipconfig/renew to request a new DHCP lease. If you're targeting a specific adapter, append the adapter name. Once you've renewed, flush the DNS cache with ipconfig/flushtons to remove stale records. This prevents old mappings from causing resolution errors. These steps fix most connectivity issues related to leases and cached DNS entries. Finally, decide if you need a static address or just verification. You can set a static IP using Netch interface IP set address or use the GUI, then confirm changes with ipconfig and validate connectivity by pinging the gateway and a public DNS like 8. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: check network adapter drivers, physical cables, and the DHCP server logs. Often the issue is driver mismatch or a lease conflict, so inspect those before making more changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.